Hello everyone, I am Imran. Welcome to Imran Learning Center. Today in this video, I am going to be talking about how to become a confident speaker in English. Do you want to be a confident speaker in English? Do you want to deliver your speech? Do you want to express your speech? Do you want to describe your speech in front of the audience confidently, in front of a huge crowd, standing on the podium, standing on the stage, standing on the dais? Do you want to express? Do you want to deliver your speech confidently, fearlessly and effectively, smartly and smoothly? Do you want to describe on any topic, in any situation, everywhere, confidently and fearlessly? If you say yes, I want to describe my topic, I want to deliver my speech in front of audience, fearlessly, confidently and effectively. I want to describe, I want to narrate, I want to mention my speech in front of the audience confidently, and I want to be a confident speaker in English. I want to be a confident speaker in English. If you say this, then this video is especially for you. So before I start, if you guys are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the ringing button beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss out any new notification from any new videos I post. As I mentioned, how to become a confident speaker in English. For being a confident speaker in English, you have to do only one thing. It's deleting fear from your mind. You have to delete fear from your mind. You have to remove fear from your mind. You have to vacate your mind. You have to make your mind free from fear. You have to make your mind like fearless. You need fearless mind to be a confident speaker. You have to remove fear. You have to delete fear from your mind. You have to banish fear from your mind. You have to expatriate fear from your mind. You have to exile fear from your mind. Without deleting fear from your mind, without removing fear from your mind, you can't be a fluent speaker, a confident speaker. If you want to be a confident speaker in English, you have to remove fear, you have to delete fear, you have to do this. Without doing this, you can't be a fluent speaker. Not only you, but also nobody can be a fluent speaker, a confident speaker in English without removing fear, without vacating his mind from fear. So you have to do this. Now question comes, how to remove fear from my mind? How can I banish fear from my mind? Is it easy to remove fear from my mind? To vacate my mind? Is it easy to expunge fear from my mind? To erase fear from my mind? To obliterate fear from my mind? To efface fear from my mind? To wipe fear from my mind? Is it easy task? Can I do this easily? Is it possible to vacate my mind from dread, fear and panic? Is it easy and is it possible to make my mind like fearless? Can I do this easily? I will say yes, it's possible but tough. It will take time to happen. It will not happen overnight. It takes time to happen. If you wanna remove fear from your mind, you have to invest time. As I told, it will take time to happen. So you have to invest time to remove fear, to vacate your mind and to make your mind like fearless. You have to invest more time, you have to invest many times to do this. There is nothing else you need. The only thing we need is confidence. You have to achieve confidence, you have to improve your confidence, you have to develop your confidence, you have to enhance your confidence. Without achieving confidence, without enhancing or developing confidence, none can be a confident speaker. You need only one thing, it's your confidence. If you are able to enhance, to improve, to develop your confidence, then you will be confident speaker. So at first I want to ask you, let me ask you some question. Do you have patience? Do you have enough tolerance? Can you do work patiently? Can you do hard work? Before being a confident, at first we need to be a tolerant person, a patient person, because our mind is covered by fear and panic. Fear has surrounded our mind, fear has beset our mind, fear has guarded our mind, and fear has cordoned our mind, and fear will never leave our mind willingly, and fear will never depart our mind willingly. We have to compel fear, we have to force fear to leave our mind, we have to oblige fear, we have to obligate fear to leave our mind. Fear will never go willingly, fear will never leave our mind willingly. We have to compel, we have to force, we have to oblige fear to leave our mind. Now come to the point, what to do to remove fear and to compel fear to leave our mind. What should we do? What we have to do to compel fear to abandon our mind, to shun our mind, to forsake our mind, to forsake our mind? What to do? What should we do? Now we will discuss on this point. To remove fear from our mind and become a confident speaker in English, we have to gather more knowledge about English. We have to achieve, we have to gather, we have to collect many informations about English. When we start learning English, at the same time you start deleting fear from your mind, removing fear from your mind. When you continue learning English, then you continue removing fear from your mind, deleting fear from your mind. You continue learning English, that means you are improving your skills, you are enhancing your skills, and you are removing fear day by day slowly. When you are improving your skills, when you are developing your skill, enhancing your skills, that means you are making yourself the best version of you. When you are making yourself the best version of you, at the same time you are compelling, you are forcing fear, you are obliging fear, you are obligating fear to leave your mind. So, without enhancing and developing our skills, we can't be a confident speaker. So, for being a confident speaker, we have to enhance, we have to develop our skills, we have to improve, we have to thrive our skills, we have to flourish our skills, we have to boost up our skills, then we will become a confident speaker in English. So, to remove fear and become a confident speaker in English, we need consistency and persistency, and we have to be consistent and persistent. We need tolerance and forbearance. We have to learn English consistently and persistently. We should not pause at learning time, we should not give any break at learning time, we should not give pause at learning time, we should not give any break at learning time. We have to learn English continuously without giving any pause, without giving any break. We have to continue learning English, and we have to be industrious, and we have to be a diligent person. We have to learn English diligently. If we continue learning English diligently, then we will get and we will achieve proficiency, efficiency and competency, and then we will become proficient person, efficient person and competent person, and we can deliver our speech, we can do everything in English proficiently, efficiently and competently. So, we have to learn English diligently. If you want to be a confident speaker in English, you have to learn English diligently. You have to be motivated, you have to be dedicated, you have to be committed to learn English. You have to be dedicated person to learn English. If you continue learning and if you remain motivated and if you remain if you committed to your goals, then you can gain, you can achieve, you can get confidence within short times, you can see your results. So, we should not give pause at learning time. We have to learn English continuously and diligently. So, as I told, when we become able to do this, as I mentioned, properly and duly, correctly and precisely, then we will become a confident person. Our mind will become fearless, and we will be a brave person, a courageous person. We can deliver our speech bravely and courageously, and we can express anything, anywhere, in any place, everywhere and every time, confidently and bravely and boldly, fearlessly, and finally we will get confidence and we will become a confident person. We can deliver our speech confidently. So, we can say that confidence is the precondition for being a confident speaker in English. Without achieving confidence, without enhancing or developing confidence, without getting confidence, none can be a confident speaker in English. So, whoever want to be a confident speaker, he or she needs confidence. At first, we have to achieve confidence, then we can be a confident speaker in English. So, in conclusion, we can say that conclusion depends on removing fear, deleting fear. I want to finish here. I want to finish here today. I would like to finish here, and thank you very much for paying your attention, and thank you very much for watching this video patiently. See you next time. See you soon. Bye for now.